If you encounter suspicious activity while using Grubhub, it's important to report it quickly to ensure your safety and the integrity of the platform. Follow these steps to report any concerns effectively. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website. Access the Grubhub app on your mobile device or visit the Grubhub website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Help or Support. Look for the Help or Support section, usually found in the menu or at the bottom of the page. This section contains resources for reporting issues and getting assistance. Step 3. Select the reporting option. Within the Help or Support section, find the option for reporting suspicious activity. This may be labeled as Report a Problem or Report Suspicious Activity. Step 4. Provide details. Fill out the reporting form with as much detail as possible. Include information such as the nature of the suspicious activity, any relevant order numbers, and descriptions of the individuals involved if applicable. Step 5. Submit your report. After reviewing the information you've provided, submit the report. You should receive a confirmation that your report has been received and Grubhub will investigate the matter. By following these steps, you can help maintain a safe and secure environment for yourself and other users on Grubhub. If you have further concerns, consider reaching out to customer support for additional assistance.